In our final tutorials, we're just going to look at two smaller skills which can be quite useful. First thing I'm going to look at is just splitting the data. So at the moment I've got the names which are separated by a comma, but actually what I'd like to have is first name and surname. So all we have to do is highlight the data that we want, go to data, you're going to go text to columns, you click next, and you're going to choose what actually separates the data. In this case, we've got a comma between them, so we're going to select comma, and you notice it puts a line down. Click next, and we're going to click finish, and it will split. So here we now have surname, we have first name. It is possible to put them back together again. Just going to double click to make that cell the correct width. If you find that actually you wanted them back together, you can do equals. Sorry, I'm in the wrong cell. You can do equals. You can put the surname. Then you can do an and. Now if you want a comma between them, you're going to have to put a speech mark in, because again it's string. You're going to put another and you're going to click the second cell and press enter. And it will actually combine those for you. Now you'll notice there isn't a space currently, so I'm going to put a space in after the comma to make it a little bit easier to see. I can actually just replicate down, and that will put them back together for you. In the final tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to print to one page. Quite often we've got lots of data, and we actually want to fit that onto one page wide. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Print, and as you can see here, getting all this over 3 pages. Now I don't want these bits necessarily at the top, so I'm going to go back to Home, and I'm going to select just the data that I want. So I just want all of this. And obviously if you want a smaller amount you can do that. But you will notice with these dotted lines that's actually the edge of the page. It's just a guide to where the page is. So if I now go to File and Print, I can follow this down. So rather than printing the active sheet, I only want to print a selection, and you'll see it gets rid of those headings. I'm going to put it onto landscape because it is wider. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say fit sheet on one page, and that will put it for you. Sometimes it might be that actually there's a lot of data going down, so it might just be that you want to fit all columns onto one page, but that actually it can go down as many pages as you want. So you can do that, and then it will allow you to create more pages. And then you're just going to click print.